Ka jingelang jongka kunhun menteri keblai kendo haka hendreu tarik ujeliau hajar apulai. Kala shim megarai bantung ya search committee na kebenta manuat giro shampang ki bandon hak expert committee jongka jing penbet temai bagi jing kemi ya reservation policy jongka jela. Habai keran beginong patai kubor hadian belawai ke jingelang ke kunhun menteri ukonrat kongkal sangma uloong baga kunhun menteri kala ajing menjur ya ke search committee ke ban u chief secretary ke jela rengkat bat arngut ki head officer na ketenat law bat personal na ke benta banwat benya bantung ki sangut ki dkhot jong expert committee halor ke reservation policy. Menteri Rangba uloong basyan ke Sorkar jela kan sepenmi no yak office memorandum ke batamai hak bedai bagajeng penterekam ya ke reservation roster bat sisien bala penmi ya ke office memorandum an sepenya no syakmat ya ke jeng tungkam tungjam ha ke jela.
The state government has also as per the notification that was put up an expert committee for the review of reservation policy. The government has decided that a chief secretary and one member from the law department and one member from the personnel department, a 3-member committee has been put up as a search committee to look for experts who will be able to then be part of this expert committee. It was recommended that this committee should be a 5-member committee and should have experts from different fields, as was mentioned in the notification. Also, very important decision today was taken was that the office memo for the reservation roster amendments were put up today to be made in the reservation roster so that the reservation roster OM is clear. And with these amendments now in the office memorandum, the process of recruitment will also be starting post the office memorandum for the reservation roster. No, as I said, and I've maintained from day one, that the roster is a continuous process. And the continuity, obviously it starts with 72, but the continuity is there. And we have been maintaining that in the past many years, the different positions that have been there have been filled up by certain communities in some case and by different communities in certain cases. And hence, whatever the case may be, those positions were filled up. But the roster plotting is required to allow us to know where we are in the roster today. And hence, the data that's going to be plotted is going to allow us then to know from which particular serial number do we start now. And that is the main purpose. And hence, the advertisements will take place from that serial number. And that is the purpose of plotting the numbers from 1972. And wherever the data is available, we are doing it. Wherever data is not available, we are starting from 1. Yes, because recruitments cannot stop. I mean, if we put a stop to recruitment, then many of our youngsters who are meant to get jobs and who are going to apply for them, who will get overage as the days go by, will suffer. And hence, in the larger interest of ensuring that the youth get the jobs, while the review or the discussions or the committees will deliberate on the different aspects of reservation policy, the recruitments will continue.